gonna draw a bee. So first, we draw the bee's wings. A U. A U down like that. You see a U upside down, and then you do a other one. Because bees have 2 wings, not only 1. Okay. And when you're done that, you use a circle here. Again in a line back here. And another line here. Then a circle. And then when you're done the circle, we do the bee's body. Right. Bee's body. Stop here and do the legs. There. The other leg and the other legs. Bees have a lot of legs. Okay. Okay. And then that. You do the eyes. And this one, and do a circle. There. And do another circle for the other eye. There. And that, you do stripes of the bee. Bees have a lot of stripes, right? Okay, there's the stripes. Then now we can do the face. You do a mouth there. You see a mouth there. And then you draw the eyes. In a circle. And a circle. And then you do a round big circle. Round big one, and then do another round big one, and then you can color outside or inside. Okay, now we're done drawing our bee, so now we can color. So first we color the wings with this light blue I showed you. All the time I use it. So for the wings. Okay, so we just have to do one more, and then we're off to the bee's body. Okay, we're done now. So now you get out your black. You see black. You color the stripes. Okay? Color here. where my dot is. Color here. Okay, let's color. And the tail too. You draw the tail too. See the tail. You draw the tail too. And then you color in your black. Keep coloring. Okay, we're done that. Now, you use the yellow right here. Hey, yellow. So let's color it. Okay, wait a second. First, we need to draw the cheeks. When you're done the cheeks, then you color it with yellow. You're done the face, you color here and there. And then you go on the eyes, me, everything. And get the black out again. And color here. Then color the other side. Okay, so now we color the eyes inside here. And then color inside the other one. We're done our bees, so thank you for watching, everyone, and see you later.